Yeah, and I guess the thought I was having when I was talking to the last video, and that I've thought of a few times also over the past few months, is that celebrities have the money to do this kind of thing, right? I mean, they not only have the money, they have all sorts of people who are willing to help them do it. You know, I mean, it's plastic surgery is just kind of this. I don't even know how to describe it. It doesn't seem to even be. It doesn't even seem to be like it at this point. It seems to be kind of inseparable from the world of celebrity. You know, to kind of do anything at all, anything whatsoever. To make your entire body look like something else. It just seems like it's just like kind of considered to be like essential to the whole entertainment industry. I mean, probably also media. You know, like people who work on TV regularly probably get a lot of pressure to do that kind of thing. And it just seems like this is like almost like the next step of that. You know, I mean, if you have enough money, there will always be somebody to tell you something. You know, you will always be able to find somebody who will tell you something, right? Something either something that you know, whatever something that you want to hear, or something that is painful to you, but somehow they make it seem attractive to you, so you feel like it's something that you should do. You know, but I mean, I think the question is who gets paid? Well, it's not you, it's them, right? I mean, it seems to me that the whole like plastic surgery thing is kind of the parasite on the entertainment industry in a lot of ways. You know, I mean, it really is. I mean, they prey on people's fears. They prey on the fear of people. Like say you have someone who's like, you know, a really beautiful person in their youth. A lot of people who work, you know, who work in that industry are that way. Of course, you know, it's huge. It's like it's like the most important thing. And then as you get older, here you are already famous, and here's all these, you know, all of these people who are just ready to tell you, oh well, you know, we're gonna make you look the way you used to. We're gonna, you know, we're gonna save you from the scorn of the world. You know, as you age, and how people make fun of you and be like, oh, you used to be beautiful, you're not anymore. I mean, it just that kind of, unfortunately, it does happen. You know, it does happen. People will be like, oh, that person was so beautiful 20 years ago, and now it's like, look at them. It's that nobody stays young forever, right? But the plastic surgeons try to promise that people can. So I think that, I mean, I don't even know who's regulating stuff like that. So that's just it just kind of like just seems to be part and parcel of the entertainment industry and the whole celebrity thing in the first place. And now I think there are probably people who are. It has to be astronomically expensive to do gender reassignment. It just has to be unbelievably expensive. You know, and celebrities. I think there probably is a fair amount of pressure. I mean, I think the money probably helps make things easier, but I think there really kind of is a lot of pressure because people are looking at you all the time. And so I suppose it could be even easier to a certain extent to be like swindled, I guess. Swindled into thinking that you really have to kind of like make everything about you into something else. You know, it's just a thought. I mean, I haven't studied the whole. I have not studied things that have to do with transgender people or any of that stuff. But that would kind of be my guess. You know, that it's.